drilled a hole in the sausage. Milk? Suck it.
But I actually think it's a great idea because I love meat.
Okay, let's try. Wait. Try to aim in the same direction.
It doesn't work like that.
Some small marshmallows. Okay, so somebody is really stressed out.
Oh my god. It looks like a balloon.
If you want to put your glasses somewhere, you just put it on your forehead. You look like a unicorn.
1, 2, 3. Wow! It feels so good.
Make a hole and put them on. Okay. Foam rubber in the chest area and also in your arm area. Oh, he's making muscles. So guys, don't go to the gym. It's easier solution. Oh, look at me, look at me. Oh, look at me. I like muscle, guys, you know.
But you know, the most important thing is what's in your mind.
And heart.
And heart. Have you been working out? What is this?
Some beauty tips from our best stylist in 5-minute crafts. Fireworks?
Paper napkin. It looks like she had a bottle. Whoa.
But it works.
Okay.
I think there's an app for that.
Ooh, my mouth is so big.
Oh.
So big.
Oh, coffee. Oh, you don't want to do that.
Oh, I get it. It's such a bad day for her. Just watching.
Do you need help? I'm just eating my banana. Okay. Uh-oh, I think she's gonna,
Oh no.
she's gonna explode. Oh, how to calm your woman? You just, meow, meow. I remember I had the worst day. I didn't charge my phone, slept 1 hour. I'm not angry anymore.
Okay, we have balloons.
Stick it to your t-shirt. Oh, and
It's great. This is a safe dance if you like to dance alone. Give me space. And you're just like do.
This actually is really bad when they're hot.
You can hurt your tongue with hot fries.
And you don't want to.
No.
A solution is let it cool. Just let it cool.
This is good. It's in perfect temperature.
So we're taking photos with the dog and it doesn't work. You put a ball and then he gets your attention directly looking to the camera.
Oh, cutie. Oh, smells sausage.
Now pose.
Yes. Oh good. I will give you after. Give me that.
Wait. Look, how beautiful. How beautiful. So this hack works.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely works. She's happy, I'm happy.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
We hope you liked it. Bye. With no hands. Bye.
Why no hands? I like hands. So much expression.
Yeah. Bye. Muchas gracias. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Now there is silicone in my hands and we're going to mix the silicone and put it on my mouth. It's absolutely safe. We have to mix one by one. Oh my god! This is me! Oh my god, just look at this! Squish! Meet my new friend, Kitty Me! I want it, so we need corn syrup, 1 bottle, stick, and food coloring. A little bit. Whoop! Yeah, just 1 drop, no more. And now it's 5 hours later. Okay, now I'm going to put it in fridge and we'll see what happens next. Wow. It's frozen. Wow, it's super sugar, it's super sweet. Be careful, but no. Again.
Top it launches up. Oh! Okay, wow! Julian! Dude, I like zoned out. Ah! Ah!
Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're close.
Yeah, come on. Yep.
Let's go. Oh! Wow! It worked. Look at this. Do not try it at home.
So supposedly you can make one.
Oh my god. It works. It works.
What are you doing, bro?
Hey man, you're just in time, Check this out.
Wow.
So this is an experiment.
Experiment again?
Yeah, again, I saw it online, I had to try it. All we're doing is just putting some oil in here.
Alright.
Alright,
And then?
there we go. Look at that beautiful yellow color. Isn't it so nice?
Yeah.
Alright, now we need to put some water in there. It's just normal tap water.
Alright.
Okay,
Let's do it.
just like that. Look at it mix, look at it mix. Alright. Alright, it's getting there. You see how the water is going to the bottom because it's
Yeah.
more dense? This is exactly what we need.
Cool.
Okay, now we're gonna get some glitter.
Ooh.
Do you have any color preferences?
Let's go with the red one.
Alright, how about we do two? We'll do two, do the red. Look at this.
Yeah.
Bit of red. And let's follow up with some silver. Bit of silver.
Ooh.
Beautiful, beautiful. This is exactly what we need.
Nice.
Okay, now we're gonna add some food coloring.
Alright.
We're gonna use a syringe for this.
Let's go.
Alright, check this out.
What is this color? Blue?
This is blue, yes.
Alright.
So first, add some blue.
Ooh, nice.
There we go. And let's follow up with some nice juicy red. My favorite color.
Alright.
Guilty as charged.
So
There we go.
satisfying.
Alright, and now for the grand finale, but you need to help me. This is just a soluble tablet.
Alright.
Can you help me open it?
Normal?
Yeah.
Cool.
I already have some here,
Oh,
but we just need a couple more.
nice.
Yeah.
Here another one.
Thank you, man. Perfect, just what we need. Let's get rid of this. And now, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, now we wait for the reaction. It's starting to bubble already.
Wow.
Ooh, are you seeing this?
Wow.
Let me let it up for you.
Wow. Got the blue
How
and
does
the
that
red.
look?
Nice, nice, amazing.
Holy
amazing.
cow, that looks nice. Alright. And that's how you make a DIY lava lamp, my friend.
Lava lamp, bro, yeah.
So cool.
Amazing, bro.
Look at these beautiful colors. So cool. My dear friend, you're just in time.
Can't wait to see what you have in store for us
We
today.
have a candle inside this bottle.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna light it. But the thing is, I can't reach. I can't reach into the bottle, so I have this nifty pencil right here and a bit of tape.
The pencil is nifty only because of you, sire.
Good, good, sir. Thank you. Let's attach this beautiful match to this mediocre pencil.
And make it a match made in heaven.
Exactly. Alright, now for
The blaze.
yes.
Alrighty.
Safety first, obviously.
Down it goes.
Ooh. Ooh.
And the candle is lit.
It is ablaze. Perfect. Okay, now
Splendid.
we have this magical solution that I'm going to add a little bit of acrylic paint.
Quite crimson-y, isn't
It
it?
is definitely crimson, just so you can see the solution. Just a couple of drops. So it's nice and pinkish.
Perfect.
Beautiful. I'll do a little bit of a reference. Shaken, not stirred. Perfect. Okay. Now we will pour this magical solution inside the bottle. But
Quite
let's try
pinkish.
to aim it at the edge of the bottle. Just like that.
Concentration is key.
In this, it is indeed. You see it slide down the edge? That's what we want to achieve.
That's surface tension for you.
It is indeed, good sir. It is indeed.
And up the water went.
All right. If this works, we will have
Violated.
fully submerged in the water, yet still ablaze.
If this actually works, we're violating a couple of laws of physics, but who cares about that, sire, right?
Tomato, tomato.
Potato, potato.
Exactly, good sir. Exactly. Are we there yet?
We have a rate of 50% completion.
Okay. All right. We're nearly there.
Almost there.
Are you ready?
I am ready. Are
We'll
you
be
ready?
amazed. I was born ready. Oh!
And up it goes, and the flame is fully submerged into the water.
Look at that!
Wait,
What
it's,
sorcery is this?
I don't know. What was that solution, anyways?
Are you ready to know?
I am. What is it? That solution is called
Psych!
optical illusion. Bye.